This is just a test. What people most fear is what they might look like. They might not be entirely ready, and that's fair enough. You have to be well in yourself, you have to be mentally and emotionally ready for it. You have to understand what your key point is. That's the whole reason why I created and changed the name of this channel to Be a YouTube Boss. I have a podcast called Confessions of a YouTuber, which used to be the name of this channel, but I've just changed the name of this channel to Be a YouTube Boss. And the whole point of this is so that you can really materialize and take advantage of this particular platform, which is fantastic if you're a creator, an influencer, a course creator, if you're a business, a small business, whether you're a small business or a big business. I think one of the most important things, and I talk about it in the book, in chapter 1, it's all about your core channel brand identity. And this applies to your channel because your channel should represent what you believe in, your values, your brand identity. So I'm recording this video in a size of 2 meters by 2. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I want to make sure that you can see the difference. Okay, so I'm recording that camera. So I'm going to look at that lens. And in the meantime, that camera is also recording me just for extra B-roll, actually, but it's kind of handy. So I'm going to get myself ready. I'm going to start filming. And I think what we need to do is, so I think the quality is not too bad. I'll put this on soon. I don't need to put it on right now, but I will put it on later. So in the meantime, take care and see you in the next video.